Good evening, good morning, whatever type of day it is to y'all YouTube lovers out there. Today, I'm squirrel hunting with my impact without the scope, and I just seen two squirrels. Couldn't hit them. Oh, it's just a bird right there. Seen two squirrels. They're both over the pride line. But if I would have shot them, I would have ran over there and grabbed them. But no. So I definitely, at this time, tomorrow, I'm going to be coming down here, sitting down probably right here in this little ditch. Because one squirrel was over there over that pasture. One was out there about 25 yards. Couldn't hit him. And the day I need my scoop is the day I don't have it. I think I hear something. But I ain't hunting in no camouflage. And if I hunt in camouflage, I see zero squirrels. Don't hunt, I see squirrels, but miss. I don't know how I sighted this thing in just like 15 minutes ago. And the little things up there. Lined it up perfect, shot dead center. And now trying to hit it, it's just like, boom. Like the gun ain't giving no juice like it's supposed to. It's really making me mad. So I mean, this thing, I just put Vaseline in it to freaking lubricate it. Nothing. And like one squirrel was like from me to the top of that tree, and I could have shot him. Nope. Makes me mad. But tomorrow I'm gonna come see right here. Over that pasture, that's where they're usually at. I believe down there at that bottom of that tree. Looks like a good nesting tree for them. It's hollow. And then I'm gonna, cause over there in them green vines and stuff, there's a squirrel nest over there. I think I'm just gonna keep walking and see what you see. Makes me so mad. I see two squirrels, couldn't hit them both. I can hear them. Can't see them. One of them I couldn't shoot because it was pointing over there towards that house. Like it was like right there in front of me. Could have shot it. Nope. So freaking hard. I'm gonna set my scope in tomorrow and come out here and see if that works. I mean, it really makes me mad. Can't get nothing done. Well, rifle here, I reckon, y'all. Can't get out of this ditch and I just got it. Disappointing. See a squirrel. About 100 yards there. Running to the on the other side. He's fucking already beaten because he can hear me running. But I'm walking. Well, I'm gonna try to cut him off going up that way. I know which way he's going. I'm gonna have to take my sunglasses off real quick. Oops. Outside. Let's go. All I do is see a big old bushy tail start running through the tree limbs. Okay. Harder than he was up in that area, running up this hill. Probably heard my fat butt coming. Took off hard. Could have done hit for me. Could be up on that nest. Way over there. I don't know. I'll sit down right here. I should open that nest, I think. As soon as I shot, I heard movement over to my right. Okay, guys, so that squirrel got away. I don't know how he got away. But, you know, I'm just going to keep walking, see what I see. Okay, guys, so, well, I did see good squirrels today. But, you know, nothing. But I'm going to try again tomorrow since we're out for 4 days from school. We go to school for 4 days, we get out for 4 days because tomorrow's some teacher thing. And Monday, President's Day. I don't know if everybody else is out like we are for 4 days. But like I said, tomorrow, I'm going to try to do a little bit more squirrel hunting with my impact. But tomorrow, I'm going to sight in my new scope on it for it. For 50 yards, since it's about how far my squirrel's been from me. 50 yards. You know, let's see what we get tomorrow. I did shoot at a couple of them earlier, but they were 100 yards out. I hit one of them with a hollow point, just because I was carrying a hollow point instead of I hit one of them in the back hind legs. He disappeared back up in his nest. So, you know, I tried. Try again tomorrow, because I know where they're at now. They all down there at that creek. That's where they all at. But I'm thinking about getting some bird feed for them just so they can eat it. And I won't shoot them while they're eating. I'll shoot them whenever they're down there. Just, you know, let them have some food. I know they're running out of them pecans. So, you know, I'll get some. I'll get me one tomorrow, I hope. Yeah. So, well, that's going to end it for today. God bless you. Have a good day tomorrow. And don't forget to hit that like, subscribe button. Tell your friends. Have a good day. Okay, I just seen a squirrel. What the heck? Squirrel alert, squirrel alert. Squirrel! Okay. So squirrels up in one of these pines. I couldn't get a good look. Except for one of these pines. I'm going to set my phone down so I can actually kill them. If I see them. So I'm going to set my phone right there. I'll come back and get y'all whenever I kill it. So it's going to be about 15 minutes. Get back to y'all. Well, guys, guess what? Got him. Told you I would. I took a couple shots. Shot him in the tail. Apparently shot him in the nuts. Or shot him in the side and it came out right there. So I mean, you can clearly tell. Shot him in the head. Go back over, stupid. Shot him right there in the arm. Looks like I shot him 3 times there. I mean, this sucker was running. Look at them little jumpers. Shot him in the side of the head. Put a good old end on him. Shot him right there. And the bullet exits right there under his eye. I'm trying to roll the sucker over. I guess I shot him here and it came out the other side because it's a good shot right there. After I done. I had him wounded. He went under a tree log. And it's a good size one. I like him. Sucker, you dead now. Well, I think that's going to end it for today, folks. Got a little blood on my finger. It's okay. Yeah, he ran over there under that brush pile. Shot him in the back of the leg. That's what ended him and his front right there. So that's what ended him from walking because he couldn't climb on more trees. And he was running too. He ran under a log. He just slowly died there. And I pulled him out by his foot, threw him on the ground, shot him in the head. Well, no, he didn't run under the log. No, he was on the log. He was running on the top of the log, and I shot him, and he fell under. Because that hole in there, so I had to dig him out. It's a good shot in the head, though, to end him. I was from here to that blue truck right there, and I shot him in the head. I was just like, poof, and he went. Then I went over there, looked, and I was like, where the heck did he go? He was in the log. So that's my squirrel with the impact. Took about a couple minutes, like I said, whenever I was about to end the vlog over there, I said, well, I'll try tomorrow. And I just seen this sucker running through the pines up there. I seen him up there in that pine. He ran. He started running out there, and he ran all the way back, and I started shooting him. So I think I'm going to go skin him now. I'm going to go skin this sucker. That's going to be the end of the vlog. Thank y'all for watching, and stay safe.